Okay, guys, I'm going to show you real quick how to create an animated animal video. Okay, so right now we're on free pics, and you go to AI assistant, and at the top you hit create. Then, like I did right here, you can put your prompt here. I'm going to change this from a zebra. I'm going to think maybe a panda bear. That sounds cute. So panda bear, and with maybe vibrant blue, black, and uh, vibrant blue, black, and white fur. I'll just say no stripes. And fur resting on a human palm, gazing at the camera with playful smile, highlighting its brown, innocent eyes, realistic 4K quality with blurred surround forest environment. I did get this from another YouTuber. I changed up some of the prompts a little bit to make my own, of course, but I didn't want to leave that out. It was create with AI 7070, and I'll drop that the tag the YouTuber in the comments as well. I wanted to let you know that I learned from that YouTuber. Okay, so I just wanted to try it out for myself. All right, so I did that, and if I want to change anything, I just go down. So I think I want this as a maybe a story, right? So I change that and hit generate. Oh, it's so cute. All right, and if you want, you could generate a little more. I made to try to get the blue in there, but it's still cute. So let me try it again. Say vibrant, maybe red, right? Okay, say vibrant. What's vibrant red? Maybe, and I'll do that again. Now that don't even want to look like a panda no more, but it's still kind of cute. Kind of look mean in some areas, but I think I might do these down here. Look like a fox a little bit here, but that's cute too. So which one should I choose, y'all? Uh, Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I think I'm going to use this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and download this one. And now I'm going to go over to Open Art AI. I'm going to go to their videos. And you can do this for free for, right now it's a trial. Um, See, I did those. So now I'm going to upload right here. I'm at the image, text the image. I want to go to the image and upload the image that I want to animate, make a video with. So get the little panda bear. And I'll just change this, but you can put the movements here. Mine is panda bear. The panda bear is looking around while moving its head affectionately, right? Or adorably. Adorable, right? And hit create. And it may take a little bit of time. I'll speed this up a little bit because I don't have a plan. It may take longer than usual. But I believe if you upgrade, it might go faster. But All right, so now let's look at it. Open it up, and this. Oh, isn't he cute? He's adorable. I'm gonna make some more, but I hope you like this, and I'll be making, trying out some other creations, and then I'll show you how I did it. I did try to use the YouTuber that I got the prompt from, their steps, but I couldn't use everything, so I found Open Art one, and they actually used the clean one that I was looking for. I couldn't get into it, so this is the one I used. So there's a few changes that I made, So I hope you like it and try it for yourself. And until next time, deuces and peace.